Hello guys, so in this video we will be looking at the problem container with most water. So this is the problem statement. You can pause the video and go through it. I'll just give you the gist of it. So we have been given an input, that is the height of this let's say like poles. So this is something like a bar graph, and if you see, we have to find out like which two bars make a big container where the maximum which has the maximum capacity, like it can store the maximum water. So basically it is equivalent to finding an area of rectangle. As you can see, this rectangle has the maximum area, right? That's why we can return this as the maximum water capacity, that is 49. So how is it calculated? So basically from here to here we know that it has an index in the list, right? This is at first index, this is at the last. If you subtract that from the subtract these two indices and multiply with the height of smallest among those smaller among those two bars, you get the area of that rectangle. So this way we can find out the capacity between these two bars. So the first you might be thinking of a brute force algorithm. That would be like for each bar we will be calculating the capacity with another bar, like we will be calculating the capacity with this one, then 0, then 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, and so on. Then we go for the second and calculate everything. But with this solution, it will be obviously O of n square, and it will give us time limit exceeded in Leetcode. But nonetheless, I have provided the brute force code here. So this brute force will give us error. So we will be coding this in another way. So the second approach will be we will use two pointer method. In that method, we will take the first bar and the last bar, calculate the area under these two bars, and like store it in a variable. Then we will see like whatever the smaller bar is, we will go beyond from there. Like if the left bar is smaller, so we will increase the left index, and when we see that right bar is smaller, we will move the right bar to the left. So that way what will happen is we will keep getting some capacity along the way, and we will keep a maximum water variable, and we will keep comparing that way if the capacity has been met, like whatever at the end, whatever max water capacity that we have noted, that will be the max capacity of this height array. Alright, so let's go ahead and code it. So it will look something like this. I'll do if not height return 0. Then we take a variable max water. This is the maximum capacity we can calculate. This is the left index, as I mentioned. Right index, maximum water will be 0, left index will be starting with 0, and right index will be starting with length of height minus 1. Alright, we got left and right pointers. Now while left is less than right, left is less than right, as I mentioned, we will be calculating water with this formula: right minus left, then into minimum of height of left, comma height of right. So we get the correct water capacity. Now we will check if water is greater than max water. If so, we will replace the max water with the current water capacity. Then, as I mentioned, if height of left is smaller than height of right, we will just increment the left pointer, else we know we have to decrement the right pointer. So minus equal to 1. That's about it. And then we at the end we return max water. Alright, let's test it. 49, submit, accepted. Alright guys, so this is the solution for container with most water Leetcode problem. Thank you.